How many times have you ever daydreamed about answering to nobody but yourself? No more performance reviews. No more conforming to someone else's vision or demands. Today I'm going to talk about 5 different ways that you can make money while you sleep, and you can make that dream a reality. Hello, this is Joshua coming to you from justfrugalme.com. If this is your first time on the channel and you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, I'm gonna ask for you to subscribe to this channel, and that way you never miss another update. If you stick around to the end of this video, I am going to share with you a bonus on how you can make money, hundreds of dollars every single day by following these few steps. Today, I'm going to highlight 5 different ways that you can make money while you sleep. Let the countdown begin. Number 5, start a dropshipping business. A dropshipping business is where you as the seller sell to your customer without holding on to any inventory. The customers will purchase an item through your online store, either if it's eBay or Amazon, at retail price. You then forward that order on to the supplier or the wholesale company where you are ordering that from, and you will purchase that at wholesale price. And once your supplier receives the order, they will ship it right out to the customer, while you will earn the profit margin. In other words, you will serve as the middleman by connecting the customer to the supplier. Number 4, start a YouTube channel. Many regular people have become millionaires just by making and uploading videos onto YouTube. You will make money by the ads that appear on the site and also on your videos. All you need to get started is a niche and a camera. A niche is pretty much a topic, a subject, your targeted audience, and a camera and a simple cell phone video will work as a good starter. Once the video is out there, it will continue to always make you money. So if you make a video this year, 5 years from now, as long as you keep your video on the platform, people will continue to watch your video and the revenue will just begin to pour in, even while you sleep. If you really want to see for yourself the potential of money that you can make by YouTube, visit this website called Social Blade. Social Blade, you can search for various YouTube creators and their channels, and you can see about how much money they are making per month and also per year. Number 3, start a vending machine business. A vending machine business requires little effort to get started, and also it is a great passive income. Of course, you will have to work with the location, but within reason, you can make your rounds to check on your inventory to restock whenever you want. And with technological advanced machines, you can remotely monitor product stock levels, maintenance needs, and cash flow. And the key for your vending machine business to be successful, you want to make sure that you are picking the right spots for your vending machine and also stocking them up with treats and goodies that people actually want. Wholesale stores such as Costco and the Sam's Club would be a great place to get started to purchase your goodies from. Number 2, rent out your property. Thanks to Airbnb, you can rent out your home when you're on vacation, your guest room, or your vacation home whenever it's not being used. You can also rent out your garage, parking space, or unused office space. And by renting out your property, it's a great supplemental income that you really don't have to do anything other than placing ads. And with Airbnb, you are in complete control of the availability, the pricing, the house rules, and how you interact with your guests. Coming in at number 1, why don't you just get paid to sleep? Believe it or not, there are many companies out there that will pay you to sleep. The most common way to get paid to sleep is to participate in a sleep study program or to test mattresses and bedding. And by participating in a sleep study, on some of them, you can walk out with thousands of dollars put into your banking account. And a great resource to get started is from clinicaltrials.gov. Now we're moving on to our bonus feature. And if you're still watching this video and you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, I'm gonna ask for you to go on and click that subscribe button, and that way you never miss another update. Have you ever considered renting out your car? Renting out your car, you really don't have to do much other than keeping it clean. With Turo, you pretty much list your car on the website or on the platform whenever you're not using it, and people who are looking to rent out a car for maybe a day, a weekend, or even a few hours, they will log on to the platform and they will select the car, and you just schedule the time that they pick up, drop off. The great thing with Turo is that you are protected with $1 million in liability insurance, and also your car is covered against theft and also property damage. Well, I know there are so many different things out there that you can do to make money while you sleep, and I would love to hear some of the different things that you do in the comment section below. Remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.